Mario, I can't look! Huh?
If I'd known you were gonna get this excited, I'd have never brought this real-world TV into the Mushroom Kingdom.
Yeesh, don't panic, lady! Call Mighty Plumber!
I'll call Mighty Plumber! Help me, Mighty Plumber, please!
We will return to the adventures of Mighty Plumber after these messages.
Gosh, Mario, do you think Mighty Plumber will save the lady from the monster?
Count on it, Luigi. Our hero always gets his clog.
Hey, look! King Dad's doing aerobic exercises to get in shape for more madness! Great idea!
Knock it off, knuckleheads! I'm not doing exercises. I'm having a temper tantrum.
Hey, King Pop! What are we having a tantrum about?
Because I just found the map I need to rob the royal coin treasury of Pipeland. And every time I try to steal something, the Mario Brothers stop me. I gotta come up with a plan to get rid of them.
King Dad! King Dad! Come quick and see what Chi-Chi's doing!
Why buy toys in a store when you can cheat and zap them out of the TV?
How can I come up with a brilliant plan to get rid of the Mario Brothers with all this going on? And now back to the adventures of Mighty Plumber.
Mighty Plumber to the rescue! Faster than a speeding plunger. More powerful than a pipe wrench. Able to snag disgusting drain clogs with a flick of the wrist.
My hero!
Mighty Plumber. That's it. I'll trick him into sending the Mario Brothers right down the drain.
Yeah!
Mighty Plumber, have I got a job for you?
You'll have to make an appointment. I have a leaky kitchen to fix.
She can wait. This is an emergency. 2 evil little plumbers are trying to steal Pipeland's coin treasury. You gotta help me bring the gold coins back to my castle, where they'll be safe from those thieves.
Have no fear. Mighty Plumber will teach them that grime never pays.
Oh, meatballs! The TV's on the blink!
Oh, no! We're gonna miss the part where Mighty Plumber saves the lady from the flooding kitchen. Yeesh! Whoa!
Robbing Pipeline Treasury. Dare you to stop me. Your enemy, King Koopa.
This is terrible.
Right. We can't let King Koopa cop all those gold coins.
No, I mean missing the rest of this week's Mighty Plumber adventure.
But what we did see was an inspiration. Now we can do our best to stop Koopa, just like Mighty Plumber would.
This is the entrance to the underground maze of pipes, where the treasury is hidden. Can you get it open?
Through muck, sweat, and slime, Mighty Plumber does it with no overtime.
I think I'll wait outside. Boy, have I got Mighty Plumber conned. I wonder what I'll buy with all those gold coins. An ocean liner, a Koopa DeVille.
I'm afraid all your plans have just hit a clog.
Whoa!
Hey!
Tell that to my new partner. Oh, Mighty Plumber, those nasty thieving plumbers are here.
Mighty Plumber!
Whoa! Hey, my idol! Oh, wow! He's here in person! Hey, can I have your autograph?
Traitor!
But if you're busy, I can wait.
You've disgraced our profession.
Whoa!
They're crooks, Mighty Plumber. Get them!
Mighty Plumber, wait! You're our hero! We brought a TV set from Brooklyn so we could watch your show!
Whoa, a plumber snake!
Aim it up there!
Mighty Plumber fell for my phony story. This is going great.